Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're just going to continue on with the leftover brisket theme. We're going to utilise that flat that we showed earlier. So again, probably not using this for casseroles or anything, but I just sliced this and we've got the perfect accompaniment today. We're going to use it in a nice roti or a Chinese pancake. So it's really simple. Best way to bring this up to temperature again will be leave it in its little bag, nice and airtight. And we're just going to put it into a pot with some boiling water and bring it up in about 5 minutes. During that time, what we're going to do is we're going to cook the pancake from frozen. We just put it straight into a saucepan and we just finish it with some mustard, some spring onion and some cheese. All right, so I've boiled a kettle. We've got the saucepan on. I've got the meat still in its vac pack. In the meantime, we'll just cut some spring onion. All we do is just slice it nice and thinly. Again, if you like some chilli, use as much or as little as you like. As I said, the wife's not here, so I can enjoy some chilli. And that's it really, there's only a few ingredients to make this one. We're gonna use a little bit of mustard on the pancake once we're done. Then we'll just load it up with some brisket. We'll dress it with a little bit of spring onion and chilli and some cheese. We'll roll it up and it's as easy as that. All right, so take the meat out of the boiling water, cut it out of the packet, slice, assemble onto your roti. Put all your trimmings on it. And there you have it, roll it up and she's a meal ready to go. I always use this sort of thing if people drop by or if we can't be bothered doing a full meal or if I'm just sort of wandering around the house looking for a snack. So if you like this recipe or want to check out more like it, head on over to recipes.co.nz, or if you want to follow us in our barbecue journey, head on over to rumandq.com and that's where you'll find it all. Cheers guys.